Welcome to the Chantry of Crimson, a congregation of ancient vampires who worship and protect humans. Many vampires see humans as prey, but the red-clad vampires from the Chantry have developed a spiritual partnership with humankind. Human blood provides vampires with power and vitality. Such a sacred substance is not forcefully taken from the humans they protect, but is consensually given. These vampires will make spiritual vows with humans in order to receive blood. Humans are coveted and respected. For the Chantry of Crimson, peace and sustainability with humans is truly divine. Humans who provide sustenance for the Chantry are rumored to be blessed with good luck. However, entities who take human blood by force are evil, depraved, and need to be eliminated immediately. High Priestess Aster is well respected in the Chantry for her work as a slayer. When she receives word of a problem vampire who slaughters humans, she sets off on her hunt. If you see High Priestess Aster, know that your village may have a pest problem. But don't fret. She is on a mission, and her mission is safety for humankind. Howdy everyone, it's me, Grace. I hope you enjoyed this new character reveal. I want to give a huge thank you to Jedimanda, who was the Nausea cosplayer in the video today. I think she did a fantastic job, and I am so happy that we finally got to do a video together. I hope you guys will go and show her some love on her channel, which I will link below, and I'll also put a card for her Nausea cosplay right here. And that you also go check out her cosplay tutorial book that she made. I am so happy she wrote a book. You guys are really gonna like this book. It's awesome. So with that, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I can't wait to see you next time. Until then, bye y'all.